let's talk about life and business. How you can build your business to another level. Now, I've been talking about sales, but then I decided to change the principle. When I realized that sales without leadership skills is useless. Because what happened is that I was making genius salespeople, but then these people were failing to build business in our industry. Because all they know is selling, but they are unable to build a team. Are we there?
Yes.
Then in our industry, it's all about selling and helping someone to sell. So they were able to sell, but they were unable to show someone how to sell. So today, I'm just going to talk about choosing your life. And if you can't find your life, if you can't find the life you want, it's your responsibility to build it. How did I come to this conclusion? I joined the business. 3 months in the business, my life was hell. I started asking myself a question: why is my life bad when I'm in the best industry in the world? I asked around, I asked people who were in the business. They told me, no, my upline is not helping me. No, I'm unable to build a team because my upline is not recruiting for me. So I said, is it my upline's responsibility to build my team? Is it your upline's responsibility?
No.
I want to hear the energy. Is it your upline's responsibility to build your team?
No.
It's your responsibility, right?
Yes.
It's whose responsibility?
Mine.
Your responsibility to build the team. So I realized, it's my responsibility to build the team. It's my responsibility to build my business. This is my business. The same way we accept the responsibility after you discover that you are born in the poorest family and no one is trying to push to another level, no one is trying to break the shell of poverty. So you just accept the responsibility to say, it's me who is going to break that shell and change the status of the family. That's the same way you accept the responsibility in your business. Now the fact is that you can build any kind of life you want with BFC. All you need to do is understanding the rules of the game. When you understand the 3R system, then you are ready to go. And it's simple. It's retailing. Retailing is when you sell a product and then you remain with the profit, right? In BFC, you sell a product at a high price and submit to the company less, you remain with the difference, right? That's what we call retail profit. So you can make as much money as you want in the retail profit if you want to get it. But the bad news is that some people feel it's not their responsibility to find a customer so that they can make a sale tomorrow. Some people are comfortable wishing for a sale instead of building a sale. Are we there? Are we there?
Yes.
It's your responsibility to make that sale. It's your responsibility to plan that sale. In sales, there is no magic. You can't say, no, please, I pray God gives me a customer today. God has already blessed you with more life. If you are healthy, you have everything. Use that energy to make a sale. Use that energy to drive a sale. Now, the fact is that in sales, without advertising, they don't know you exist. And if they don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. They'll buy from someone who is advertising, right? So, when did you advertise your business? How many people have seen your business today? She's not sure. The number may be 0. Are we there? How many people have seen your business today? Almost 10. And research has shown that out of 100 people who see your business, only one will buy. So if you have 99, there is a high possibility that you will have 0. Are we there? Because maybe that one which is missing, it's the customer who was supposed to buy your product. Are we there? So if you want to make sales daily, you must make sure that every day you reach to potential customers 100, at least minimum of 100 every single day. Then you know you are guaranteed a sale tomorrow. Because your tomorrow is the result of what you have done today. Have you planned a sale tomorrow? If you have not, no sale tomorrow. Which means you are guaranteed sadness, because without money, you are sad, right? Without money, you are sad. Without advertising, there is no sale. Without a sale, there is no money. Without money, you are sad. You reach a level where you start feeling like maybe 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 my grandfather did something, maybe I've just those demons of poverty. So you end up going to the man of God for prayers. Unfortunately, the man of God has no customers. I've seen people who have been to men of God for prayer so that they can start making more sales. Nothing, it doesn't work like that. Are we there?
Yes.
You can pray, you can fast and pray, you never make a sale. All these are customers. They are customers all over. You just set a package. Every day I talk to 100 people about my product. Every day I educate 100 people about my product. Then I know tomorrow I'm guaranteed a sale. You can't do that, there is no sale tomorrow. And there is no sale the day after tomorrow. So it's better today you start planning your life. Now, the fact is that you can get any amount of money you want in retail profit. And with the BF Suma system, when you just join the business, when you are star 1, from star 1 to star 7, it's all about your sales skills. Are you able to sell? Because you get more money from retail profits, right? You don't get a lot from leadership. You get a lot of money from retail profit. As a star 3, you can get 10,000 in BF Suma. It's all about how you set your goals. Just imagine if you set a goal to say every day I'll be talking to 200 people, which means every day you'll be selling to how many people? 2 minimum. When you sell to 2 people minimum and you get a retail profit of 500 every day, how much money are you going to have in 30 days? How much? How much money? Too much money, right? So you can get any amount of money. There is nothing like, no, me, I'm at a low rank, so I need to suffer. No one was meant to suffer. But you just program yourself to suffer. Are we there? When you feel like, no, only Backley can make a sale, what about you? Because God created you to enjoy life also. Someone who brought you into the business, they brought you in the business so that you can also enjoy life. But why are you not enjoying it? It's because you have not yet accepted the responsibility. And you have not yet realized that you need to retire every day for you to make money. Now, after retiring, you need to recruit. You need to build a team of sales people under you, a team of leaders. Are we there? But how do you recruit people? How do you recruit people? You must attract them. Let people get attracted to you. You are not attractive, they can't join your business. Because people join your business because they want to be like you, they want to enjoy the money. You are getting money. If you are not enjoying any money, people are able to see that this one is not enjoying. So since this one is not enjoying, I'm not enjoying this thing. Maybe it's a scam. Right? So you must brand yourself to the level where everyone who looks at you, they can believe that you are in serious money. If you can't brand yourself to that extent, it will be tough for you to build a business. Tell me the truth, since the time I joined the business, I've never prospected someone to say, no, come and learn about this business opportunity. I don't do such a thing. You are doing. They come, they enjoy. What have I done? I've branded myself. It's just that simple. That's the magic. Brand yourself, they'll prospect themselves, they'll join your business. Now the fact is that people make decisions to join your business and they make decisions to follow you and believe in you. The same way they make a decision to follow you and believe in you, they can make a decision to unfollow. If they discover that you are that kind of a leader who doesn't reach out for more, if they discover that you have no clear vision, you don't know where you are going. Are we there? They'll come and ask you a simple question. How long have you been in business? How long have you been in business? She is not very sure. How long have you been in business? A year now? You're on which rank? How long have you been in BFSU? This is your 7th week? I want someone who is old in the business. How long have you been in BFSU? 7 months? How much money have you gotten so far from BFSU? So when you mention 7 months, someone will start seeing their 7 months in you. Are we there? You say 7 months, and then they look at the way you are enjoying life. Then they say, do I want to live this lifestyle 7 months from now? And if the answer is no, they'll go for who? Are we there? They'll ask you, so how much money have you collected from BFSU? And you tell them, no, I get 10,000. Then they look at your shoe and they look at your jacket. They look at your shoe, they look at your jacket. They know you are lying or you are telling the truth. Are we there? So everything about you must be deliberate. Everything about you must be to show people that for sure the amount of money you are talking about is the amount of money you get for sure. And they can see it on you. So it's all about setting high standards for yourself. Setting a standard for your life. Setting a goal. This month I want so much money. Are we there? When you work hard and get so much money, that so much money will help you to recruit. Because without you building a team, you'll be a sales baby. And as a sales baby in BF Suma, life is hell. Are we there? Without recruiting, life is very, very tough. So make a sale, recruit people, train them how to sell. And then repeat the two. Retire and recruit. Sell and recruit people. Once you know how to do these three things, how to retire, recruit, and repeat the two, you are safe. And your life changes instantly. Who doesn't want to change his life? We all want to change our life, right?
Yes.
We all want to change our life, right?
Yes.
I can't hear this.
Yes.
If you know what you are talking about, talk about it with energy. You all want to change your life, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's move. If you can't make a sale, you can't get it. What do I mean? You can't get the money and you can't get a downline. Because a sale you make is what will change your appearance. A sale you make is what will change your life. A sale you make is what will attract someone. Are we there? So if you don't know how to make a sale, you don't know how to find a customer, you don't know how to convince a customer, you can't get it. You can't get a downline, you can't get the money. So the goal is learning how to sell. Master sales. How do I find my first customer? How do I sell to my third customer? How can I sell pure and broken Canadian? Once you know how to do that, there is no wishing. It's all about mastering the skill. Are we there? You master the art of the sales, you perfect the art of the sales, your life gets better. It's all about knowing what to do and perfecting the art of selling, the art of recruiting. Keep on perfecting it every single day. Learn how to handle those rejections. Learn how to ask when someone tells you that, no, your pure and broken Canadian oil is too expensive. Know how to handle that. Are we there?
Yes.
Know how to divert the customer. When a customer calls you and tells you that, I want a surgery for my hemorrhoid. Know how to divert the story and make them get novel depart. You just tell them, no, we don't offer surgery here. You lose them. Are we there? They'll keep on saying, tell them, let them know. You don't offer surgery because you have the best solution than surgery. Because what we have here is the best solution for sure. Are we there?
Yes.
Our medicine is going to heal the hemorrhoid and immunize someone from the hemorrhoid. So someone can come here for prevention and someone can come here for treatment. But someone can't go for surgery. Say, no, I want you to do me a surgery so that I cannot suffer from hemorrhoids in the future. Surgery is not keeping you away from the condition. That's why you discover that if someone went to the hospital for surgery, after a short period of time, they'll be back again for the same condition because the cause of the problem is not resolved. They were just relieved. It's that kind of Panadol. Are we there? It's just Panadol in another version. So you ask them, do you just want to relieve yourself from that hemorrhoid or you want to solve the problem for good? If they say, I want to solve the problem for good, give them novelty power. Perfect the art of selling. Are we there?
Yes.
Learn how to communicate. And perfect the art of recruiting. When people call you and tell you, I want to join your business, how do you talk to them? And how do you keep them in the business? Keep on perfecting the art. Understand what people want. The fact is that every person who joins your business, they join it because they want to make money. Simple. Are we there? So you tell them you make money after 3 months, they go. They want money now because they have a need to solve right now. Are we there? So you're going to show them how to get a customer tomorrow. They don't just say they go. And they go for good. Because they have not found what they wanted. It's just that simple. So every time you bring someone in your business, your first question in your mind must be, how am I going to show this person how to make money tomorrow? Because if they don't make money tomorrow, life will be hell for them and they will not stay in the business. That's why a lot of people recruit people, but people go. Because they don't understand what brings people in the business. It's all money. Are we there? It's money. How many people have been recruited and they are gone? A lot of them, right? Because you didn't show them how to make money. And it's not your fault. It's just that you don't know how to make money also. Do you know how to make it? You have not yet known how to make the money. So when you don't know how to make the money, you can't show someone how to make the money. You don't know how to sell, you can't show someone how to make a sale. That's why you first need to understand sales. Understand sales yourself as a leader. Then get someone and show someone how to make the sale. You don't understand sales, you can't show someone how to make a sale. That's why before I built a team, I was not talking about recruiting. I was always talking about sales. After I built a team, that's when I started talking about recruiting because I know now how to do it. Are we there?
Yes.
I know now how to get someone from zero to where they want to be, to the point where they start enjoying in their life and they start attracting other people to join their business. So let us just stop joking. Let us understand the rules of the game. It's all about retiring, it's all about recruiting, and it's all about repeating the two. Those are the only two things we do in our business. We recruit people in the business and we make sales. We sell the product. Are we there? When you recruit people, you get a huge bonus. When you make a sale, you get money instantly. Do you want money instantly?
Yes.
Do you want money now?
Yes.
Do you want to get more money next year?
Yes.
Build a team this year and change your next year. Thank you very much. Thank you.